Hello student, today we will do question number 40 from Miscellaneous exercise on chapter 7 NCERT Mathematics class 12. So without further ado, let's get started. We have to find the integration of this. So we will write here I is equal to B A x f x dx. This can be written by using property of a definite integration. We can write this B A plus B minus x into f A plus B minus x dx. So here it is given f A plus B minus x is equal to fx. So we will write here this I is equal to B A plus B minus x, that will be fx dx. Now this will multiply in this and we will separate this. So I is equal to A, if we multiply then A plus B into fx dx, and in this we will multiply then minus A x fx dx. So I is equal to this is constant, so we will take out A plus B. This is A B fx dx minus this is I. This is I. So here it is BSC, first BSC group is I. So this will come this side, so this will be 2I is equal to A plus B B A F x dx. So I is equal to then I is equal to A plus B by 2. This will be B A F x dx. So this is this will be, this option would be right, D. So D is the right option. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.